Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalatu wassalamu ala asrafil anbiya'i wal mursalin. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wahdahu la syarikalah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh alladzi la nabiyya wa la rasula ba'dah, amma ba'd. First of all, let us praise and thank the presence of Allah Almighty for the abundance of grace and the joy of all of us can still gather in this place without any barriers at all and in good health. Not forgetting the salawat and greetings we pour out the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who has brought us out of the dark ages to the era of bright light today, namely Islam. May we all get intercation on the end. Amin. Okay everyone, introduce, my name is Fadli Ramadan. Can you call me Fadli? Okay. How are you today? I hope you are always in good health. So everyone, at this happy time, I will tell you all what you should know about the importance of mathematics in daily life, as well as for preparation for a better future. So, the first thing you have to know is that mathematics, or the science of calculation, is always present in everyday for life. Just a small example, when we buy something or return the bank's money, even the smallest things or the things we take for granted the most, like cloth. A calculation are mathematical concept too. Most people generally only think that mathematics is difficult subject, but actually if we understand the concept, there are so many students who ask, why do you have to study mathematics? While mathematics is a very difficult subject. It is true, we also realize that there are fewer mathematicians than mathematicians. Why is that? Because the concept of counting is complete, with a million rules and regulations that apply in it. Then why should we study mathematics? Because mathematics has every layer function in life, from the moment we are born until we breathe of last. For example, a medium of exchange, or what we often call money. Starting from counting money, selling and buying an item, the profit and loss, everything has to do with mathematics. The clothes we wear are made by mathematical calculation. Even making cakes use mathematics calculation. So, we will discuss in more detail as follows. Mathematics is the study of quantities, structure, shapes, and target that exist in a number. Mathematics come from the Greek mathematikos, which means exact science. Mathematics is a science that is mainly used in everyday life, both in general and in particular. In general, mathematics is used in trading transactions, carpentry, almost every aspect of life. Mathematics is used. That is why mathematics is dubbed the queen of all science. Ras Fendi says that counting is important for practical daily life or for the purpose of continuing school. And it is based on two aspects. The first, namely social, and is less mathematics aspect. The direction of learning mathematics in school is the achievement of basic competency standard by student. Mathematics learning activities are not oriented to the mastery of mathematical material alone, but mathematics material is positioned as a tool and means of students to achieve completeness. The complete are competence. Therefore, the scope of mathematics subject matter studied in school is adjust to the competition that student must achieve. So, because mathematics is the queen of all science, that is why mathematics must be studied and mastered at least the basic mathematics relate to life. So, now we will discuss the benefit of studying mathematics. The first helps system thinking. By studying mathematics, one can think more systematically. This happens because of the habit of counting and practicing series. By learning it, the brain will automatically think regularly. That way it will make it easier for us to organize things. The ability to think systematically is very supportive of being a leader. The second, developing logic. In mathematics, we talk about thinking logical. Everything is based on precise calculation without any assumption. Having logic will help sharpen your mindset so you can make mature decisions. If someone can think logical, they will not be easily sedated by hoax information. Completing practice, mathematics problem will in parallel train the brain to think optimally. The third, get used to counting. Counting is a basic need. Everyone needs numeric skills. By studying mathematics, a person will be able to count quickly and precisely. The fourth, can draw conclusion deductively. The purpose of drawing deductive conclusion is to look at general patterns. That's why it can train the brain to think objective. Objective thinking is one of the many soft skills from our field of work. If you are used to working on mathematically logic problems, you will get used to thinking rational. And last, be taught accurate and patient mathematics lessons are often identified with complex and long story problems. Solving times problem require precision and persistence. If we are wrong in doing the question, we might have to work the question from the beginning. But don't worry, the patterns will pay off later. The proof in that the profession of analysis, scantily and accountant can be carried out by people who are careful analyzing data. Okay everyone, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.